Here the question is, which term of AP 20, 19, 1 by 4, 18, 1 by 2, 17, 3 by 4, etc. is the first negative term. We need to find which term of this AP is the negative term. Here given AP is 20, 19, 1 by 4, 18, 1 by 2, 17, 3 by 4, etc. The first term A is equal to 20. Now we need to find D. D is equal to 19, 1 by 4 minus 20. That's equal to 19.25 minus 20. That's equal to minus 0.75. We will convert this minus 3 by 4. Here A is equal to 20. D is equal to minus 3 by 4. That we will get. Now we know that the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And also given condition is an is less than 0. So we will substitute the values of a and d here. That's an is equal to a is 20 and plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 by 4, which is less than 0. That is 20 minus 3 by 4 n minus 1 is less than 0. We'll just move to here. That is 20 less than 3 by 4 into n minus 1. This is 20 into 4. That's this 4 will go here. Is less than 3 into n minus 1. That is 80 less than 3 into n minus 1. 80 divided by 3 less than n minus 1. This 3 will go here. We'll divide, we'll get 26.66 less than n minus 1, or we're moving this minus 1 to here, 27.66 less than n. N is a term number in an AP, so it cannot be fraction, decimal points. So we will adjust to the next higher number, that is equal to n is equal to 28. That is the first negative term. First negative term of the AP is the 28th term. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.